This is not just an Airstream. This is our home. This is our everything. Where we work, where we learn, where we play. A place to feel safe, a place to relax, a place to grow, a place when you leave you can't wait to get back, a place where time slows down and you can listen to the sounds of life. The life outside and inside, where you can create memories. This is our home. Well, welcome to our home. So this is the front area. So we originally were going to do the U-shaped table that broke down like you see in most trailers, but we decided we're lazy, so we're not going to put it down all the time, and so it'd be a bed anyway. So we just decided to do that. One of the biggest things was the first year we went around without the end caps and waited until our second year because we just wanted to get going. So now our end caps are done. We went back and did those. Everything for all kids and adults. Everyone has a tub that their clothes go in, and these are super nice because they interlock too. All of our shoes. This is always a problem for anyone. They always overspill extra stuff. So when we came back the second year, we also decided we needed a place for me to work a little bit better, that we didn't have to keep undoing and putting back. And so he made a permanent structure. We still have to paint all of this, but we also made shoe cubbies to help with the shoe overflow. This is our kitchen area. So we have a regular gas stove, and when we first went out, we realized that we have so much kitchen stuff. We thought we would need blenders and toasters and coffee makers, and so we have really pared it down our second year. As you go, you realize what you can get rid of. This is our little corner for Dublin. He was our dog, and he passed away early spring of 2018 before we left. So that's where we keep him. So this is the kids area. They are totally into Legos right now. They keep shifting back and forth, so there's always Legos everywhere. This is our new eating table. So the first year, there was a bed here and a bed here, and we decided they needed a place to do school and Legos and just a place where they could just have a table instead of doing it all on the floor or on their beds. And so we created this, and we even measured every butt on here to make sure that everyone fit. So now it's our little nook. And then Ross made a little cubby for all of their books. These are the stuff that every time you travel they fall, and they are everywhere and scattered. So this created a nice little place for them to stay in their little spot. All of the kids have a regular comforter and then a couple pillows. Mostly we use them as guard pillows so they don't fall off the bed because they're a little high. And then everyone has one of these bean bags. Watching this video, I feel like so many things have already changed. We'll do an updated tour video, and then we'll also do a video on how we run all the things. So internet, water, propane, heat, just to keep them separate. But thanks for coming by to watch this inside tour video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video.